Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to use the Google Whisk tool, a free tool developed by Google to generate images. So if you simply type Google Whisk, it's a free tool. You can generate unlimited images from this. You can create anything from. So this is the first link which comes. Simply go to this. You should have a Google account for this. I've already logged in. So it's completely free. There is no subscription to it. Simply click enter tool. And now you will be granted with this interface where you simply write in the chat prompt. So just tell the AI what sort of image you want to generate. So I will simply say generate image where two dinosaurs are coding on laptop in Google Office. So as you can see, we have written this prompt here. So now the AI will start generating the image, and the speed of generating the images are really insane. As you can see, I written this prompt here and instantly the images will be generated. So two dinosaurs coding on a laptop in Google Office. So depending upon, you can see exactly the images are generated here. This is the second image. So it actually generates two images at one time. So these are completely free. You can simply download these images. So you have the download button as well. So we can download this, and we also get this option to animate these images. So we can even animate these images, turn this into a video. So now let's suppose you can simply say, make these dinosaurs animate and dance. So we can actually create videos as well by simply, you basically get 5 generations in the free plan, so you can easily create videos as well from static images. Simply provide the prompt here, what sort of things you want to animate, and automatically in a matter of seconds it will generate videos as well. So it's a great alternative to Google View 3 as well, and you can actually use Nano Banana model directly inside this Google Whisk tool of Google. This tool is very secret. Nobody talks about this, but this is really handy tool. So if you simply go to Google, just type Google Whisk. This is in experimental mode. This is not fully released. So basically they are trying it. So as they are simply in the experimental mode, so labs.google.com. So this is actually the tool here. It can even generate videos, images, all these things. So definitely try this. So this is a very simple way to use it. You exactly write the prompt here, what sort of image you want to generate, and after that you can even animate this as well. So now you can see it is just reaching 100%. So just wait. Once it reaches 100%, your video will be displayed. And the video generated through these tools are really insane. I personally tried this, so I can safely tell you that the videos generated. So now it is almost finished. Your video will be created. So now your video is successfully generated. You can see that it basically are dancing and while coding. So you can just see the quality of the video, guys. You can just see it also have the sound as well. Let me turn on the sound. So two dinosaurs coding on the laptop while typing and also dancing. Music is also added. So this is really insane, guys. Definitely try this Google Whisk. It's called as, and you can safely use it.